Hello YouTube, this is Mitch with Mitch Quick Eats. How you doing today? Well, today we're going to be making peanut butter brownies. It's going to come out really good and delicious. So we're going to enjoy showing you how to do that. Okay, now what we're going to be using for the peanut butter is smooth peanut butter, and it's going to be a pound of peanut butter, so the whole jar. This is a 2 pound, but I'm going to only use half of this and then the rest of the other one, so you know the measurement on the peanut butter. Peanut butter is going to be 1 pound of peanut butter, or the whole bottle of peanut butter. Okay, and now we're going to use 1 cup of flour. Throw in there. And what I'm going to use, normally we use two eggs, but I'm going to use an extra egg because I like the way the egg makes it work. So I'm going to use 3 eggs. Now, take the wooden spoon and mix all of this in. Take your time and mix it in. Now, what I'm doing is pouring it into the pan. And after I pour it into the pan, I'm going to flatten it out. So what I'm going to do is just flatten it out with the spoon first. Then I'll show you how I flatten it out so it can be around the whole pan like it's supposed to be. Do the old school way, flatten out. So it's like all in the whole pan. Now when you see this flatten out all over the pan, pretty much even, then you take and sit it in the oven for 20 minutes. Okay. Now we're gonna have to put the oven on preheat first. When it gets to 350 degrees, this is when you want to put the pan in and leave it for 20 minutes. Okay guys, it's 350, so it's hot. You let it stay in the oven for 20 minutes and take it out. Take it out. Take it out, let it cool for about 20 minutes. And then you could do other things to it if you want, or leave it plain. It's still delicious. I'm going to put a little design on there to show you something else you could do when it cools.